Hello there guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today's vlog is doing a Korean makeup look. I will also give some makeup tips and guides. Well, sa totoo lang, I'm not that professional po, but I am a makeup artist. So with my little knowledge, sana may matutunan po kayo with this video. So, yes, this is my bare face. Kakatapos ko lang po maligo and na-cleanse ko na po yung face ko. It's important na mag-cleanse po tayo ng face before tayo mag-makeup. Kasi it's either magkaka-allergy tayo or tutubuan tayo ng tigihon, which is gusto nating i-avoid yun. Although, kasama sa buhay yung mga imperfections, but that's just makeup guides na kailangan nating malaman na hindi dapat madumi yung mukha natin before our makeup. So this is my first makeup tutorial video sa aking channel and napili ko yung Korean makeup look kasi I guess it's very timely, lalo na ngayon na tulad natin na nahihilig sa mga K-drama na which is K-drama is life nga daw. Feeling ko when we have this look, pwede nating mahanap yung mga sarili nating opa.
Nakakamali ka!
So, enough na tayo sa mga chikas and let's proceed to our video. First, kailangan muna nating magtali para mas madali nating ma-apply ang mga makeup sa ating mukha. So, first, apply tayo ng moisturizer. This is a premium gold essence from Korea. By the way, I will put all the products I will be using on the description box below. Don't worry. So yun, let's put just enough product on our hands and apply it on our face. Hintayin natin na ma-absorb ng face natin yung moisturizer. As we can observe sa mga Korean face, pag naka-makeup sila, it's very dewy, it's very natural, fresh, and parang wala silang pores, very makinis talaga. So, kailangan ma-achieve natin siya. So, after moisturizer, we will apply this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser para ma-achieve din natin yung no pores look ng Koreans. Well, by the way, there are some negative people na magsasabi na maganda ka lang kapag may makeup ka, ganyan, which is not true. Kasi at the first place, maganda ka na. You are beautiful in your own way. Always remember that nobody can take away your confidence. Kasi makeups are not made for them. It is made for you. If you're comfortable with makeup, it's okay. If you're not comfortable with makeup, it's okay then. So yun, hintayin lang natin na i-absorb ng face natin yung pore eraser, yung product. Then now, apply na tayo ng foundation. This is Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream from Korea. May SPF 42 na din siya. This is my favorite when people always told me na bakit ang dewy ng mukha ko. Well, it's because of this product. So, apply tayo by creating dots para makontrol natin yung amount sa ating face. Let's use this foundation brush. Well, another makeup tip, when you are starting to like makeups or gusto mo na mag-makeup, first invest on makeup brushes. Not necessarily complete, pero dapat meron ka nung mga basic brush. I prefer using brush when applying foundation kasi I feel na kapag yung foam or yung mga ganito, parang na-absorb niya yung product and nawawala agad. Medyo nauntian ko. Paubos na siya kasi it's very favorite ko talaga to and always ko siyang gamit. Kaya paubos na. Next is another foundation or slash concealer. I will be using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. So, ginagamit ko din siya as my second foundation or concealer. So, binuksan ko na siya and paubos na din siya kasi lagi ko siyang ginagamit sa mga clients ko when I have this hair and makeup service. So, commercial lang. Please do follow my Instagram account. That's my hair and makeup service. So, this is how I apply concealer. Sa noo, I will be drawing 2 lines. Then, 1 line sa ilong. Kailangan ma-conceal yung ating T-zones. Then, sa ilalim, then draw tayo ng triangle under eye. Then, sa gilid ng ilong. And, finally, sa chin. Then, under eye. Para matakpan ng ating eye bag. So, sometimes may experience natin sa pag-foundation natin yung may namumuong product sa mukha natin. So, one solution ko dyan is using foam. Idadump mo lang siya. For example, dito yung may namuong or dito yung may namuong foundation. So, idadump mo lang siya konti and then spread mo lang. Kailangan hindi pa rin mawala yung product na nilagay mo sa face mo. So, next is our kilay, because kilay is life. So, first, susuklayin muna natin siya para ayos yung strand ng hair natin sa ating kilay. So, kung papansin nyo, yung kilay ng mga Koreans, very simple lang. Wala sila masyadong arc sa kilay nila. Parang straight lang siya na ganun. So, in my eyebrows, I will be using this Ever Belena eyebrow pencil in the shade of brown. So, susundan ko lang yung shape ng kilay ko and magdodraw ako ng straight lines sa baba. Chika muna ulit about makeup. Bakit nga ba nagmi-makeup tayong mga babae? So, again, it enhances our beauty. Sabi ko nga kanina, at the first place, maganda ka na. Diba? It also boosts our self-esteem, our self-confidence. Opinions of other people doesn't matter. Lalo na kung negative and puro judgments lang. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, very dark yung strand ng hair ko sa kilay ko. So, ang gagawin ko, para mapalighten yung color ng hair ko sa kilay is I will be using eyebrow gel from Fashion 21. So, ang lalagyan ko lang is yung ditong side, which is the inner side of my kilay. So, yun. Parang kukulayan mo lang yung buhok ng kilay mo. So, next is contour. Actually, napapansin ko sa mga Koreans, hindi sila masyado makontour. So, kailangan nating mapaslim yung face ko. Kasi yung mga Koreans, most of them, parang pa V-shape yung face nila. I-achieve natin yung slim face para sa rounded and squared face na katulad ko. For my contour, I'm using this from LA product, contour kit, and then contour brush. So, make sure na pag magme-makeup kayo is gagamit kayo ng tamang brush, especially for beginners. Paano nga ba natin ma-slim down? So, kailangan mag-create tayo ng shadow dito sa side part ng pisngi natin. So, next is mag-a-apply tayo ng powder foundation. Maybelline New York Fit Me Powder Foundation. So, next is sa eyes na tayo, no? Usually, yung eyes shadow ng mga Koreans, either 1 or 2 colors lang. So, today, magto-2 color eyeshadow tayo. For my eyeshadow, I will be using Recare your favors. Focalure. Focalure or focalure. Okay, basta yun. Okay, gamitin natin yung Indian Red. And para sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe on my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo kung may mga i-release pa akong ibang video. Let's apply our second eyeshadow. I prefer to use color brown eyeshadow sa part na to para ma-tone down yung pagka-bright ng ating first color eyeshadow. So next is yung shimmering part sa ating eyes. So here I will be using this Vice Cosmetics Hour Glow in Splendid. Again, huwag natin kakalimutan ng ating lower lash line. Diba? Parang nangungusap ang iyong mga mata. So, after eyeshadow, isunod naman natin ang ating eyeliner. For my eyeliner, I will be using this Focalure eyeliner. Mag-create tayo ng wings sa ating eyes. Next is ang ating mascara. I will be using Focalure Bomb Blushes Volumizing Mascara. So, natural eyelash lang tayo. So, next is blush on. My product is Focalure in shade of Fetching. So, napapansin natin yung blush on ng Koreans, lagi silang more on peachy, pink. So, kaya pink yung ating blush on. So, since kailangan mapaslim natin yung face natin, pataas yung ating blush on. So, next is yung nose. So, kukontour din natin siya para medyo tumangos naman tayo, besh. So, ikalat mo lang yung contour na ginamit mo kanina. Now, proceed tayo sa highlighter, another glowy part, para medyo mag-dewy look yung ating face. So, again, gagamit tayo ng Vice Splendid. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo ba. Ganyan siya ka-glow. And last but not the least, sa lips part na po tayo ng ating video. Kung mapapansin nyo din, yung lips ng Koreans is parang two-toned. First step na ginagawa ko dyan is nag-a-apply ako ng foundation sa upper lip ko. So, kailangan mapaliit natin yung lips natin. And for the color of our lips, we are using this Peri Pera from Korea din. So, yun yung magiging base lipstick natin. Sa loob lang tayo maglalagay. Pati yung ngipin ko gusto mag-lipstick. So, mag-aayos na lang tayo ng hair and some styles. Maglalagay din tayo ng accessories para makompleto natin yung Korean makeup look. that's it for our video for today. I hope nagustuhan nyo ang ating makeup tutorial and ating Korean makeup look. Please do like, comment, and share our video for today. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod kong video. Thank you for watching! Bye!